Hey, and what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Ashonda B, and I am back with a new video for you all. So today we will be reviewing Model One's gel polish kit, and I got this off Amazon, and this is how it came with everything inside. So yeah, let's get started. So this is stickers for the polish, and you just basically place the polish on top of the stickers, let it dry, and it just shows you the difference between each polish so you'll know. It also came with this mini LED light, which I think is so cute, and I'm so happy because I always wanted to try it. So yeah, I'm just very excited about the LED light in general. Now I'm just showing you all of the tools that came inside of the bag, basically to take care of the cuticles, clip the cuticles, file your nails, buff it out, and just a bunch of nail care tools. So just keep watching, you guys. These are all of the nail polishes that came within the packaging, and as you guys can see, they packaged this to the extreme, like triple packaged this. But yeah, if you guys look on the nail polish bottle and you see in between that little butterfly flower kind of sign, you can kind of tell which color goes with which polish. But if not, I will show you guys later on the little sticker sheet, so you'll kind of see a better look of that nail polish color. So now you guys, we're going to get started on that nail prep. Push down the cuticles, clip the cuticles, get the nails looking all nice, oiled up and neat. And yeah, just keep watching as I do that. Just want to say that this cuticle clipper is not included inside of the packaging. This is on my own personal item that I bought separately. But I believe that I got this cuticle clipper from Walmart. I'm not for sure how much it retails for, but if you go to Walmart, you'll be able to find some. This is the ending result of the nail care, you guys. And as you can see, my nails look very, very healthy, shiny, neat compared to all of the other nails that I did not do. So I'm just going to go ahead and do those off of camera. So now both of my hands are filed out, looking neat and nice and buffed out with clean cuticles. So yeah, we're going to get into the actual gel polish, y'all. So here's the sticker of all of the colors that I have received inside of the package. Those top two colors are the colors that I will be using on today's nail set. Now I'm pulling out the LED light. It came with this USB cord and it does not have a block to plug it into, so you will need your own for that. It just comes with the cord, and then it comes with this little pamphlet to show you guys how it works and, you know, basically all of the info on the LED light in general. So first we're going in with the base coat, which I absolutely love the fact that they sent a base coat for this, because I always forget to get base coat for my nail polish, and I feel like it just helps it not chip as quick as it would without the base coat. So yeah, I'm just absolutely excited about this. Okay, you guys, so at first I thought that you just charge the LED light and then you can just use it whenever without it being plugged up, but you actually have to have the LED light plugged up for it to work. So yeah, just throwing that in there, but I'm just basically curing the base coat before I add another coat on top. And if you continue to watch, the light has like kind of a timer on it and it just goes off by itself. And that's how you know that first coat is cured. If you need to cure a little bit longer, then just turn it right back on and just keep your hands under the LED light. So this is how the base coat is looking once it's dry. It looks super, super smooth and nice. Now we're going in with the powder pink and we're going to put that on majority of the nails. And then one nail I'm going to leave out for a separate color. And sorry, you guys, if I'm saying this wrong. I don't know if it's actually called LED light, LED lamp. Like, I'm not for sure how you guys say it. I'm just so used to calling them LED light because I just pronounce it how it looked like it's supposed to be said. But yes, I'm just throwing that in there. And then we're just going to finish applying the polish. And I'll show you guys how it looks after the first coat. As you guys can see, I decided to use the glitter polish that I received for the opposite nail that I left out. Because you guys, if you know me and you know like how I like my nails, I love a little bit of shimmer on almost anything. So yeah, I just had to go with it. Just had to try it out and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now that I'm done with my first coat, I go ahead and place my hand under the LED lights to dry and cure. And then once that's done, I just go back in and repeat the same process and add a second coat. I ended up using 3 coats instead of the 2 that you guys will see, but just add as many coats as you think you need. This is how that second coat is looking after my hands is cured. As you guys can see, I added a rhinestone on my last coat. After the third coat, I added a rhinestone to it and then let it cure under the LED light instead of putting nail glue, because it gives it like a rusty look that I do not like. But now we're going to go in lastly and add that top coat, you guys. Now my nails is finished, you guys. This is the finished look after adding the top coating and letting it dry. And I'm super satisfied with the quality, super satisfied with the color choice that I went with. Now we're going to add in that cuticle oil that also came with the kits. And what you have to do is twist the bottom for the oil to push up. As you guys can see, I kind of struggle with trying to figure it out. But nonetheless, we figure it out, and that is how it works, you guys. It's something about cuticle oil and how it looks on the hands after your nails is done that just satisfies me so much, and it looks really, really gorgeous. Yes, that's the end result, you guys. I absolutely love this kit. It cost me $20.99 off of Amazon, $28 with tax included, which is a great deal, especially when it comes with the LED lights. So I'm super satisfied. I give it a 10 out of 10, and I'll be using it more. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl is out. Peace out, y'all.